So today we're doing this makeup, which is really festive. It's great for Christmas and I love this look. I think it looks really nice and dead Christmassy and nice and gets me in the mood for Christmas. So yeah, carry on watching if you want to see this pretty festive look. Right, so I've put primer on and I've put my pieces of tape on so I can get a clean line. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids. Next I'm gonna set them with eyeshadow, so I'm going in with this colour. Just to kind of take away some of the tack. Okay. Once you've done that, I'm going in with this red colour all over the lid. You work it up to your eyebrow. Okay. Once you've done that, you're moving on to your 35F palette. So we're going in with this red and we're putting it in the crease. And we're taking this colour onto your eyelid, about halfway across. Okay, and then finally we're going in with this colour, get a smaller brush for this one, and we're putting this on the outer corner. And then what you can do is use a clean brush to blend out the edges. Next, moving on to glitter. I'm going to place a bit on the back of my hand. And pat it on the inner corner of my eyelid. Again, you don't have to use glitter, you can just use gold eyeshadow, which I did the other day. And then the glitter, we use the NYX gold glitter. I'm using the same brush that I used the glue, and then backing it on. And what you can do is add just a little bit of gold eyeshadow just to where it blends out, just to help you blend the gold glitter into the red eyeshadow, just to kind of soften that line between glitter and eyeshadow. Okay, next for highlighter, I'm using a gold based one, so I'm using this one, just in the inner corner of my eye and on the brow bone. Next for eyeliner, I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner and I'm going to wing out my eye. So now we're going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. We're just going to do the top eyelashes with mascara at the moment because we're going to do the under eye later. So next we're going in with the foundation. I'm using Estée Lauder Double. Okay, next for concealer, I'm using Huda Beauty Concealer in Meringue. And we're patting that in. Okay, next we're using Peach Perfect powder from Too Faced. Avoiding the eye area, but you can set your under eye with a smaller brush. Just so it's not tacky. And go in with a bigger brush for the rest of your face. Okay, next I'm going to contour my nose with the Anastasia contour kit. I'm using this colour. Just at the end of my nose. And then you're bringing down the colour. Then after that I'm getting my Sephora bronzer and just giving my face a bit of colour. Then I'm going to go in with my W7 Candy Blush in Galactic and apply some of this to my cheekies. Then for highlight I'm going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sugar, and I'm going to go in with Butterscotch, which has got like a gold colour, and just put it on the top of my lip, down the nose, and just on my cheeks. For under the eye, you can either copy the upper eye, or what I do is I mix it up, and with it being Christmas, make it more festive looking, so I'm going in with the greens. So first I'm going to go in with this green to kind of give a bit of a base. Then I'm going in with this green. And then I'm going in with the darkest green, just on the very outer corner. And then you get your black kohl pencil and line your waterline and apply mascara to your bottom lashes. So this is the eyeshadow without eyelashes, and this is the look with eyelashes. I've also added lipstick. I've added Wifey by Jeffree Star, just to give a finishing touch to a Christmassy look. So this is the finished look, guys. A Christmassy, festive eye, perfect for the days leading up to Christmas. I really, really like this eyeshadow. I do it every year pretty much, just to get me in the mood for Christmas. And so everyone around me knows that I like Christmas. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!